A groundbreaking leap in the fight against inherited blindness has just taken a major step forward. Opus Genetics, a biotech pioneer in gene therapies for rare eye diseases, has received the green light from the FDA for its investigational new drug, IND, application for OPGx BEST1, a potential game-changer for patients battling a rare genetic condition called BEST disease. But here's where it gets controversial. While this approval marks a milestone, it also raises questions about the long-term safety and accessibility of gene therapies for ultra-rare diseases. Let's break it down. The FDA's clearance paves the way for a Phase 1/2 clinical trial set to begin in late 2025. This trial will target patients with BEST1-related inherited retinal disease, IRD, a condition caused by mutations in the BEST1 gene. For those unfamiliar, BEST disease, also known as vitelliform macular dystrophy, is a rare inherited disorder that leads to progressive vision loss and, in severe cases, complete blindness. The trial will test a single subretinal injection of OPGx BEST1, aiming to assess its safety, tolerability, and early effectiveness. Researchers will also track changes in visual function and retinal structure to measure biological activity. George Magrath, MD, CEO of Opus Genetics, called the FDA's decision a significant step forward, emphasizing the urgent need for treatments in this patient community. Today, there are no approved therapies for BEST1-related IRDs, he noted. This trial is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a lifeline for families facing an uncertain future. The company plans to run this trial alongside its other ongoing programs, showcasing its commitment to tackling multiple unmet medical needs simultaneously. OPGx BEST1 relies on Opus Genetics' proprietary AAV-based gene therapy platform. This technology delivers a functional copy of the BEST1 gene directly to retinal pigment epithelium (RPE) cells, where the defective gene is located. Preclinical studies have already shown promising results, including restored BEST1 protein expression and improved retinal function in disease models. And this is the part most people miss. While the science is exciting, the real challenge lies in scaling these therapies to reach patients worldwide. Gene therapies are often expensive and complex to manufacture, raising concerns about affordability and equitable access. What are your thoughts on the future of gene therapy in treating rare diseases? Should cost and accessibility be prioritized as much as scientific innovation? Share your perspective in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation about the ethics and economics of cutting-edge medicine.